Vivo is a smartphone manufacturer that has gained extreme popularity in the world thanks to its pricing strategies, as the company focuses on offering excellent value for money in the budget and mid-range segments. The latest offering from the Chinese company is the Vivo X50, which comes with a bezel-less 6.5-inch AMOLED display and offers a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The phone comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage space and is equipped with the Snapdragon 855 chipset, which means performance-wise, the phone is top-notch. The camera specs are impressive, as well as the X50 features a 48MP plus 16MP plus 8MP plus 2MP quad camera setup on the back and sports a 32MP front camera for selfies. You get a battery with a capacity of 4000 mAh, and like any good mid-range phone, it supports fast charging as well. Vivo X50 price. The Vivo X50 price is expected to be $430, 31,990 rupees. The Vivo X50 launch is scheduled for March 19, 2020. The 6GB 128GB variant is expected to be priced at around Rs. 31,990 and will be available in 3 color variants. Vivo X50 details 6.5-inch AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint sensor. The Vivo X50 features an in-display fingerprint reader like most of its competitors and is bezel-free thanks to the pop-up camera. The 6.5-inch AMOLED display offers a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels at a density of 396 pixels per inch. Snapdragon 855 SoC, rear quad camera setup. Powering the Vivo X50 is the Snapdragon 855 chipset from Qualcomm, which is a flagship-grade SoC. The chipset comes with an Adreno 640 GPU, which manages the graphics processing. The phone comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard memory, plus you get the option of adding up to 256 GB of expandable memory. You get a rather impressive quad camera setup on the X50, with a 48MP primary camera and a 16MP ultrawide shooter, with an 8MP telephoto lens and a 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, the phone sports a 32MP pop-up camera. You can shoot 4K videos with the back camera and 1080p videos with the selfie cam. 4000 mAh battery, fast charging, connectivity options. The battery on the X50 features dual-engine fast charging and has a capacity of 4000 mAh. Connectivity-wise, you get Wi-Fi 802.11a/b per gram, N, AC, Bluetooth 5.0, a GPS, and a 3.5mm headphone jack as well. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.